पेमेंट हो ताकि उनको राहत मिल सके।
I now move to talking about EPF. You were aware during the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package, some measures were extended for the EPF. In that, we had said units which have 100 workers, 90% of whom are earning less than 15,000 rupees, will be able to draw from their EPF from the funds because they needed money in their hands. We have now, and for the 3 months, the payment of EPF also was given relaxation. What I would now like to say before you is a liquidity relief is being given for all EPF establishments. In this, 12% which is paid by the employer and 12% by the employee contribution. We extend the support which Government of India gave for another 3 months. We had given it for March, April, and May up to May 2020. The payments were made into their eligible accounts by Government of India for March, April, and May. Nearly 3.6 lakh establishments benefited from this. Liquidity relief of 2,500 crores to 72.22 lakh employees is now being proposed to be provided by extending this contribution for the next 3 months also. June, July, and August 2020, the EPF contribution will be paid by Government of India, and this shall provide 2,500 crore liquidity support. So what was given earlier for March, April, and May is now being extended for another 3 months, which will be June, July, and August, and therefore we shall be infusing 2,500 crore liquidity and 72.22 lakh employees will benefit from it.
1,70,000 करोड़ के प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण पैकेज में एक सुविधा दी गई थी कि ईपीएफ जो है, प्रोविडेंट फंड जो है, वो 12% जो कर्मचारी उसका भी और जो नौकरी देने वाला उसका भी 12% भारत सरकार देगी। और ये पहले 3 महीनों के लिए हमने किया था, जिसकी भुगतान कर भी दिया गया पहले 2 महीनों के लिए, और इसको अगले 3 महीने और बढ़ा दिया जाएगा। इसका प्रावधान भी जून, जुलाई और अगस्त के लिए कर दिया गया है। 3,67,000 ऐसी संस्थाओं के 72,22,000 ऐसे कर्मचारियों को इसका लाभ मिलेगा। जब कर्मचारी का 12% हिस्सा भी और नियोक्ता जो नौकरी देने वाला है उसका 12% हिस्सा भी भारत सरकार देगी, और ये कुल मिलाकर 2,500 करोड़ के लगभग का लाभ इनको मिलेगा।
The next on EPF again, in order to provide more take-home salary for the employees and also to give relief to employers in the payment of PF for those which have not been covered under the earlier description, which is if you have 100 employees, 90% of whom are drawing less than 15,000, we announced a scheme earlier, which I'm extending for another 3 months. That's what was announced a minute ago. The second one in EPF now is the statutory PF contribution for those who are not covered in the earlier one is being reduced from 12% to 10%. So for the next 3 months, employers need to pay only 10% and not 12% so that they will have some more money in their hands. However, for the central public sector enterprises and for state PSUs, we will continue to pay 12%. So this reduction is not for the government. However, government employees government employer still pays 12%. But employees in these public sector undertakings will be given the advantage of paying only 10%. So a liquidity relief of 6,750 crores for both the employee and employer will be available for the next 3 months.
एक और प्रावधान, क्योंकि आज के समय पैसा कर्मचारी के हाथ में भी